let's explore with books and song. Side by side we'll laugh and play. Stella and Ollie show the way.
Hi friends, today we're going to play sound game. First we'll break a word into sounds, then we'll blend them back together to say the whole word. Ready? Listen carefully. T. Those are the sounds in the word cat. Now let's blend them together. Cat. Let's break this one apart. B. S. Now we put the sounds together. Bus. Listen. T. Blend it slowly with me. Jam. Here's a trickier one. Sh. All together. Fish. Let's do one more. Blend it. Hat. You did it. You can break words apart into sounds and blend them back together. Keep practicing with new words at home. You're amazing.